Addition of English grammar used without the keys available. Some teachers may prefer this by use with their students. An online version of English grammar is also available. English grammar in use. Present continuous. I'm doing. Study this example situation. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. She is driving to work. This means she is driving now. At the time of speaking, the action is not finished and is or plus ing is the present continuous. I am driving. He, she, it is working. We, you, they are doing. I'm doing something. I am in the middle of doing it. I have started doing it and I haven't finished yet. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work, not I try. Where's Mark? He's having a shower, not he has a shower. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore, not it doesn't rain. At a party. Hi, Jane. Are you enjoying the party? Not do you enjoy. What is all that noise? What is going on? What is happening? Sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really good book at the moment. It's about a man who... Steve is not reading the book at the time of speaking. He means that he has started it, but has not finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Some more examples. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she is learning Italian, but perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. Some friends of mine are building their own house. They hope to finish it next summer. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. Periods around now. You are working hard today, not you work hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. We use the present continuous when we talk about changes happening around now, especially with these verbs. Get, change, become, increase, rise, fall, grow, improve, begin, start. Is your English getting better? Not does your English get better? The population of the world is increasing very fast, not increases. At first I didn't like my job, but I'm beginning to enjoy it now, not I begin. Exercises. The sentences on the right follow those on the left. Which sentences goes with which? 1. Please don't make so much noise. 2. I need to eat something soon. 3. I don't have anywhere to live right now. 4. We need to leave soon. 5. We don't need their car anymore. 6. Things are not so good at work. 7. It isn't true what they said. 8. We are going to get wet. Complete the conversations. I saw Brian a few days ago. Oh, did you? What he is doing these days? What he do? He is at university. Put the verb into the correct form. Positive, I am doing, etc. or negative, I am not doing, etc. 1. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying, I try to work. 2. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. Complete the sentences using the following verbs: start, get, increase, change, rise. 1. The population of the world is increasing very fast. Present simple, I do. Study this example situation. Alex is a bus driver, but now he is in bed asleep. He is not driving the bus, he is asleep, but he drives the bus. He is a bus driver. Drive, work, do is the present simple. I, we, you, they. Drive, work, do, etc. He, she, it drives, works, does, etc. We use the present simple to talk about things in general. We use it to say that something happens all the time and repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Nurses look after patients in hospitals. I usually go. Remember, I work, but he works. Take leave, but my sister teach. We use do, does to make questions and negative sentences. Do, does, I, we, you, they, he, she, to work, drive, do, so on. I come from Canada. Where do you come from? I don't go away very often. What does this word mean? Not what means this word. Rice doesn't grow in cold climates. In the following examples, do is also the main verb. What do you do? I work in a shop. He's always fully. He doesn't do anything to help. We use the present simple to say how often we do things. I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. How often do you go to the dentist? Julie doesn't drink tea very often. Robert usually goes away 2 or 3 times a year. I promise, I apologize, etc. Sometimes we do things by saying something. For example, when you